Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I just wanted to quickly go over the Xbox Series X overheating issues. There's been two videos that have been floating around the internet that have been very alarming, considering the fact that these Xbox Series X on launch day are basically on fire almost. They're letting out a lot of smoke from the top. Now there's no way to find out if this is real or fake or staged until Microsoft themselves put out a statement regarding this factor. But as of now, everything is just kind of up in the air when it comes to how legitimate these videos are. The reason why I'm kind of skeptical on how legit these videos are is because these videos are pretty low quality, so they could just be staged or something of that kind of sort. Now, if that's not the case and your Xbox Series X comes into these issues, be sure to contact Microsoft support right away, because sometimes on launch day, people are sold faulty units that might have just gone bypassed the safety checks and stuff like that, which is still scary. But at the same time, if you actually have a Series X like that, then don't wait, call Microsoft, get yourself a new one, and just be safe. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and let me know what you guys think about the Xbox Series X in the comments down below, and whether or not you think this is legit or not. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.